ChatGPT can generate free figurines. We'll show you some tips to create different types of figurines in this video. Can they also generate figurines with a bit more complex photos? Watch till the end to find out. Here I'm on ChatGPT. Has very similar layouts on mobile or on computer browser, or in this case I'm using the app on my tab. Here on the ChatGPT app there's this insert image icon to tap. Here tap on the photos option, then select the image. Here I will type this prompt first, create a figurine. Though it has started generating the image, but after a while this is what it came up with. Supposedly violates content policies. I now tried with a different prompt, changed it to plastic figurine. At least now the response was a bit more positive. Needed a clarification if it should resemble the person in the uploaded photo. I thought this should be obvious. So another command to tell it that it should resemble the person. So it got started working on it and got the result after a while. Took a bit of time though, a few minutes, probably because of the pressure on the servers. Results were quite good. Next time I uploaded this photo and made sure to state in the prompt to resemble the person in this photo. This time trying metallic figurine. This single prompt should be enough to create figurines in one try. Notice the image is not complete with the legs cut out. Got this result which looks metallic and pretty good details added in it, but with shorter legs. Guess this is characteristics of the figurines. I also tried a realistic figurine prompt. This is the result. A clay figurine and a chibi figurine. I also came up with something extra added to the prompt. Create the figurine like a factory packed model on display on the metallic figurine, and it came up with this nicely packed one. This one came quite well too. We'll try now on images a bit more complex like this one with a couple. Really impressed with this. Tried one on a Shih Tzu here. Looks cute. Next I tried a prompt on a popular character if it works. Unfortunately on Harry Potter it couldn't. It didn't work with a prompt of a kid too. Tried with a prompt on old man. Finally it succeeded. I tried the same character prompt with Imagine on Gemini. It worked on Gemini without issues. Tried one with a kid too. No issues here. But Gemini doesn't still support altering your own images unfortunately. Few more examples here. The results with the details are really impressive in ChatGPT. Hope you found the tips in this video useful and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.